Oh shoot! Somebody just ran over. Oh, the car flipped over. The car flipped over. There's anybody in there? I see a hand. Oh God! I can't lift it up. I have to set this down. What do I do? I'm gonna call 911. Okay. 911. Call. Hello? Oh, there's a crash. No, I'm not gay. Oh, yeah, no. There is a crash. Somebody's in the car, and it's about to catch on fire. Do I know the guy? Well, I think he's gay because he has a pink car. But, yeah, the car's pink. It's, Escalade. What's his plates? A Barbie head with the license plates Barbie. Yeah. Oh, I see hand moving. Yeah, and the other license plates is Power Weir's Fisher Price. Yeah. I don't know if he's I see he's alive. Alright. Alright, wait, I'll carry you here, come on. Get stuck in there. Nudge! He's alright. Oh, God! Okay. Now there's how.